Welcome to the social science class. Today we are going to start the new chapter. Children, name of the chapter is Major Relief Features of the Earth. Children, as you all know, continents are the large land masses. There are 7 continents. The largest of all is Asia and smallest one is Australia. We have already discussed about continents. These land masses are not equal and not even at all places. Therefore, we have different type of mountains, plateaus as well as plains. There are different types of mountains, children: folded mountains, block mountains, volcanic mountains and residual mountains. Let's discuss about 4 types of mountains in this video. The first one is folded mountains. Let's see how these folded mountains are formed. Initially, all the land surface was flat, but due to convergent movement of tectonic plates, some land surface has uplifted and some are gone downwards. Children, this uplifted area is called Goodie, and this way folded mountains are formed. Children, Rockies in North America and Himalayas in India are example of young fold mountains as they are formed recently. There are old fold mountains as well. Children, if we talk about old fold mountains, the examples are the Aravalli range in India and Ural mountains of Europe. Children, the peaks of these mountains have been eroded and lowered in height due to the action of external forces. So that means the young fold mountains, their tips are more conical as compared to the old fold mountains. Next one is block mountains. Children, block mountains are also a result of internal forces. They are formed when large areas or blocks of rocks get displaced vertically due to forces of tension. The movement here is the divergent movement. They are formed when large areas or blocks of rocks get displaced vertically. Right? These fractures in the on the surface of the earth is known as faults. And when two faults are formed alongside each other, large areas get displaced vertically along the two fault lines. The land between the fault lines either move downwards or upwards or rises. The blocks give these mountains a flat top and steep slopes. The uplifted part of the land is called the host or block mountain, whereas the subsided part or the downward part is called the graben or the rift valley. Example of these mountains is Satpura range in India and Black Forest in Germany. Children, some rivers flow through the Rift Valley. For example, Narmada and Tapti in India and the river Nile in Africa. These are the examples of the rivers which are flowing through the rift valleys. And when the temperature and pressure are very high inside the earth, magma, ash and gases are pushed towards the surface and they erupt in the form of volcanoes. Children, magma, when it is inside the surface of the earth, it is called magma, and once it comes out of the surface of the earth through the vent of volcano, it is called lava. Then this magma, when hardens on the earth's surface, it forms cone shaped mountains, and these mountains are known as the volcanic mountains. Example of these volcanic mountains include Mount Fujiyama in Japan and Mount Mauna Loa in Hawaii. The next one is the residual mountains. Mountains are made of different type of rocks, children. Some of these rocks may be hard or soft in nature, and the rate of erosion of these two types of rocks is different. The erosional agents like rivers, glaciers, wind, they erode the soft rocks easily in comparison to the hard rocks, and once the soft rocks get eroded and the hard rocks remain standing as highlands or hills, they are called the residual or the erosional mountains, right? Example of these residual mountains or erosional mountains are mountain ranges of Norway and the Aravalli range of India. Thank you, Shamstars. That's all for today. In case of any doubt, you can drop your queries in the Google Classroom.